Welcome. Numerical number 2, Electrostatics, Incubation Academy. Cesium plus and Cl minus ions are arranged in a BCC configuration, that is the body center cubic configuration as shown in the figure. So in this figure, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 black dots are there, and these 8 black dots basically represents the cesium plus ion. And at the center, at the body center of this cubic lattice, there is an orange dot, and this orange dot represents the Cl minus ion. The net electrostatic force acting on the Cl minus ion due to 8 cesium plus ions is, the options are given: option A, option B, option C, and option D. At first we try to understand this, that let us take it is in charge q1 and it is in charge q2. If they are of same magnitude, if it is q1 equal to q2, and if they are separated by a certain distance, let us say r, and if I say O is the midpoint, if I want to calculate the force on any charge, let us say capital Q, placed at the point O, then the force on capital Q due to Q1 is acting along this direction, and force on capital Q due to small q2 acting along these directions. So this is the, we can say it is F1 and we can say it is F2. Since it is the midpoint, if Q1 and Q2 are equal, then the force on Q is equal and opposite, and it is just cancels out, the resultant is 0. So here we just consider any body diagonal. Let us take this body diagonal A, B. It is an cesium plus ion and it is also an cesium plus ion. Here is a Cl minus ion. So this Cl minus ion is attracted by this cesium plus ion at plus A, and this Cl minus ion is also attracted by this cesium plus ion placed at B. So these two forces are equal and opposite and attracts each other. That's why according to this body diagonal, the resultant is 0. So here is how many body diagonals? For this body diagonal is 0, 1, 2 and 3. Another 3 body diagonals. For these 3 body diagonals also follow the same thing. So the total resultant force acting on this Cl minus ion should be 0. We need not to calculate anything. We can say the correct option is 0. We need not to look about the other options. Thank you.